Hi, I'm Ed Wagner from Wagner Meters. Today I'd like to answer a common question. Why is my wood floor buckling after installing it over concrete? When any floor buckles, it's because the wood has picked up moisture. This additional moisture causes the wood to swell and then buckle. Now, what if the wood's been laid over a concrete slab? In this case, it might be because the moisture in the slab is moving into the wood. This can cause it to swell. This happens even when the wood has the correct moisture content. That's because installing wood over concrete can cause major problems if the slab is too wet. So how do you know when a concrete slab is dry enough to install a wood floor? Well, the National Wood Flooring Association has the answer. It says the slab needs to be below 75% relative humidity. To determine the relative humidity, simply measure the slab using the Rapid RH test. It will give you an acceptable reading of the slab's relative humidity. The NWFA has a very detailed plan on how to successfully install a wood floor over concrete. I highly recommend that if you're going to install a wood floor over concrete, go to the association's website. There you'll find the complete instructions for installing wood flooring over concrete. This is Ed Wagner. Thanks for watching, and together, let's keep learning. Check out these other videos and click subscribe.